Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a title or a comment going viral. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit.
These mortals have awakened the gods of old.
What is up, y'all? I am back with another video for you, and as you can see, it's another Halloween video. This is a collab for something, I can't say the word, I'll put it right here, but they describe it as like a warrior princess look, and this is something I came up with. So if you guys are doing something along those lines and need a look for that, then just keep on watching to learn how to get this look. Okay, so to start this off, I'm doing it a little different. I have my face on, so my foundation, but I want to bronze up my face a little bit using the Physicians Formula Multicolor Light Bronzer, and then I'm just using this fluffy brush by Morphe, and then do how I normally do with the bronzer. I feel like my eyes are gonna be really odd looking just because I just took off the pumpkin makeup that I had in the last video, or not the last video, I don't know if it'll be the last video, 2 videos ago, depends on when they get all uploaded. But yeah, so my eyes are kind of, I almost said swollen, but like dry. They don't like having multiple things on for makeup. So now I'm just using the Bronze Booster by Physicians Formula. This is in light medium. Now I'm doing the medium to dark bronze booster. And then using the IT Cosmetics blush brush and the Kylie Barely Legal blush, get some color to my face. Then I also want to contour my nose a little bit, so just going in the medium to dark bronzer and using this Velvet Luxe IT Cosmetics brush and kind of just contouring out my nose. So I just didn't want to do much, as this look seems to be more of like a warrior and doesn't mean makeup's gonna be prettier. So it's gonna be based off of the eyeshadow. Like usual, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm gonna go in with this face base fluffy brush. I want to go in with this very light blue color right here. This will be pretty much all over my eyes. Now, next to that blue, I'm just going in with this little darker blue, kind of darkening up my crease a little bit more and just like make it more darker. I don't know. I feel like this is going to be super easy. I'm just going to use this concealer type brush, and I want to go in with this really like indigo blue, and I'm just going to put this on my lid. Also, if you hear weird purring noises, it's because I have a cat behind me and he's being very, very vocal and happy, and yeah, he's stretching right now. He's being weird. He's a happy baby. That's all that matters. So I'm just gonna use my finger a little to darken it up. That was mostly the brush not working. And then going back in with that light dark blue that I was using and blend it all in together. So I'm just going in with this really small flat fluffy brush and going in with that darker light blue that I was using and going on my lower lash line. So I want to go in with this Tarte, I almost said Cake Pop, Play Pot, and this is in the shade Blue Moon. I've never used it, so I'm trying to open it. And then going in with this just angled brush, I want to just line my lash line. So I'm gonna put a wing type thing on. Oh no, I'm gonna do a wing, but I wanna do it with this really dark blue down here. Go in with another angled brush, but it's not gonna be like a wing, it's just gonna be just kind of like a soft wing. I'm gonna curl my lashes and use my Worth the Hype mascara like usual. Then I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus eyeliner in Black Onyx and just put this on my lower lash line and then in my upper lash line. Okay, so for like the stripes I'm just using the Jeffree Star Drug Lord white lipstick. Then I'm just gonna use this Morphe angled brush. It's kind of an interesting little brush. So what I'm gonna do, put a line here. Angle it down. And then build up coverage. Lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, that's super hard to do. So now I'm going to do it on this side as well. Totally not even. Totally not even. Not at all. So I'm gonna let those dry. So I'm gonna put them down here. Okay, so my camera died and I kind of fixed it up a little bit. I just put some blue lines here and here. It looks crazy, but it's not really supposed to be perfect anyways. As you can see, my eye waters and I don't know why it does this all the time. Like I can't, and it's only this eye, like it's weird and it doesn't do it all the time, but I assumed this was gonna happen because my eyes were hurting before I was doing this. I really hope this is in focus, but I'm just gonna use my foam ink lashes like I've been using. Hope it's in focus because my camera, like, I can get it in focus and then sometimes it just never goes in focus, and I don't know why. Okay, so I'm gonna fix up my hair and then we'll do a finished look. But yeah, this is pretty much it completed at this point. So yeah, I'll go fix that. So I forgot to put lipstick on. I don't know why. I'm gonna use this Bare Minerals lipstick in Wink. This is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. It's super crazy. It was kind of hard to do the white, but I think I pulled it together eventually. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below if you guys are going to recreate this look for Halloween at all, doing some type of warrior look or anything like that. But other than that, I think that is it for this video. Alright y'all, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below. Also hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and sometimes Saturdays as well. And also hit the share button if you guys like me a little bit extra and want to get me out there. But other than that, I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?